Right now I want to show you the new and improved chat area. You spoke and we listened.
Now you can hold down Shift, then click Enter to expand the chat area.
Let's jump in. From the primary dashboard, click on Chat on the left-hand side. Then click New Chat in the upper right-hand corner. Next, choose which large language model you want to use. ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4.0 or Claude 2. Finally, click in the chat box and write your prompt. Now you can hold down the Shift key, then click Enter to skip down to the next line in the chat window. This will give you more room to write and paste information into the chat area. Keep writing your prompt. Then hold down Shift again and click Enter to skip to the next line. That's it. Now you know how to give yourself more room in the chat area to paste in text or continue writing multiple lines of text.